You never speak, you never kiss, you never say a word to each other. What kind of relationship is that? Imagine being a couple in a relationship with someone. And when you go to church or when you go to public events, you hold their hand. You make like you are in love. You kiss them on the cheek. And you do all these things so that people can see, yo, this is an amazing relationship. You post on Instagram these photos of you guys having this amazing time. But when you're at home, you never speak, you never kiss, you never say a word to each other. What kind of relationship is that? So Jesus is not impressed with performance. He's impressed with your heart and your relationship with him. That's why he says, unless your righteousness exceeds that of the Pharisees and scribes, you will never enter the kingdom of heaven. A Pharisee was the experts in the law. They knew all the laws of Moses. And they were very meticulous in observing the laws. They did everything that the law required them to do. They sacrificed the animals. They did all the ritual cleansing. They did all these rules. They followed everything. The Sabbath rule was for them a very sacred thing. And they were on Jesus' case for breaking some of these rules because they were so stuck up on following rules and they lacked the relationship part that allowed them to have the heart that God wants. The heart that will help someone in need. But they won't help them because of Sabbath. The heart that looks for justice, mercy, and above sacrifice.